Hi, Dick Rochford here, board 297 Sierra Tango. It's a brand new Mike 500, M500 Meridian. And this is the NXi G1000, new and improved. We are approaching IOSA for procedure turn outbound for the RNAV 31, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And here are the numbers. We got the VNAV dialed in. 200 to go. As 500, we'll pick up a little speed in the descent, but that's okay. The autopilot will accommodate that with proper turns. And main thing to notice about the G1000 now is, at least the NXi, is that everything is in here, including the cabin pressure information and the destination elevation. For this reason, it's not otherwise controllable without going into the menu. But the point I'm making is that if you're going somewhere VFR, you want to make sure that you put your destination in the flight plan. Otherwise, it won't have access to the destination elevation information. So, for example, if you leave
31, contact tower 124.8, good day.
Leave the flight plan blank and just hit direct and put in the name of the airport and fly there, you won't populate this here. And so you need to be careful with that.
And Cherokee 69 Quebec, join the approach course outbound.
This has a much improved processor, which gives us instantaneous redraws on the maps, any scale you like. Of course, the fuel ring is there, the reserve, 45-minute reserve, and then out of fuel. So that's a nice feature.
Centurion 3 Delta Mike, 5 miles from Yosu. Turn right heading 280, maintain 3000 until established on a final approach course. Cleared RNAV runway 31 approach.
Right turn 280.
Now we're procedure turn inbound.
3 Delta Mike, thank you.
Harrisburg approach, Diamond 844 Tango Whiskey is 3,000 feet.
Those of you who are not familiar with synthetic vision, this is actual terrain.
3020.
It's satellite-driven data that populates this database. The little green circle with the 3 tick marks on it is where the airplane is going. And of course, the white line is the horizon.
Mike Yankee, expect the ILS 8 approach.
We haven't got cleared yet.
Oh, okay.
There is an RNAV available, but they are advertising the ILS 8.
So in the event of a late clearance.
Did you want the RNAV?
We're going to have to continue to hold.
Yeah,
you see what we got in the database.
He might have us hold.
Okay, we'll wait.
At Harrisburg, Meridian 7 Sierra Tango, we're procedure turn inbound for runway 31.
7 Sierra Tango, 4 miles from IOSA, cross IOSA 3000, cleared RNAV runway 31 approach.
IOSA 3000 cleared RNAV 31 into Lancaster. This is going to be a low approach for then radar vectors for an ILS 8 for a full stop.
7 Sierra Tango, roger.
So, get that flight plan back
I was
here.
waiting for some instructions, but
yeah.
Okay, after IOSA, we're down to Boca 1500.
Yep. Yeah, so the path marker is a real gem here in this this system, and I'll show you more about that once we get closer to the runway. The runway will be depicted on the synthetic vision, and the path marker, when the autopilot's properly engaged, will sit right on the threshold.
260 on Mike.
That's very comforting.
Interior 3 Delta Mike, contact tower 124.
So we're seeing traffic in here, little diamond.
Thank you. Go on.
We've got pause turned on, so we've got terrain awareness. We've got traffic.